Meelii fayyadamnee kan jedhu yaa akkuma ChatGPT asti kan gaaffiin gaafadhee dura kuno fiilmii animeeshinii hojjechuun barbaada. Aadaa Oromoo irratti kan xiyyeeffatu abbaa manaa tokkoo fi haadha manaa 5 ta'anii nagaadhaaf jaalalaan akkamitti akka jiraatan aadaa keenya keessa kan jiru naa ibsiin jedheenna advice na gochaa jira. Ana barreesseerasti ama barreessuu isaa nan beekan ture dura garuu amma immoo akkamitti akka dubbisu akka laaltaniif.
Sure. Particularly focusing on a man with 5 wives who emphasizes peace, love, and family history has the potential to be a beautiful and meaningful project. Here are some thoughts on how you might develop it. Plot. The story could revolve around the man, let's call him Garba, and his 5 wives, each representing a different aspect of Oromo culture or values. For example, one wife could be a skilled farmer, another a wise elder, another a talented musician, and so on. Garba's journey could be one of promoting peace and unity within his family and community, despite the challenges of polygamy. He could face opposition from those who don't understand his unorthodox family structure, but ultimately win them over with his kindness, wisdom, and dedication to his loved ones. The film could also explore the rich history and traditions of the Oromo people, weaving in elements of their mythology, folktales, and customs. This would not only make the film more culturally authentic, but also add depth and intrigue to the story. Animation style. The animation style could be inspired by traditional Oromo art, with its emphasis on bold colors, geometric patterns, and stylized figures. This would give the film a unique and visually stunning aesthetic. Alternatively, you could go for a more modern animation style, but still incorporate elements of Oromo culture into the design. This could help to make the film more appealing to a wider audience. Themes. The film could explore a variety of themes, including the importance of family, the power of love and forgiveness, the challenges and rewards of polygamy, and the need for cultural understanding and tolerance. It could also celebrate the resilience and strength of the Oromo people, who have faced centuries of oppression but have preserved their unique culture and identity. Music. The film's music should play an important role in setting the tone and conveying the emotions of the story. Traditional Oromo music could be used to great effect, along with other African and world music influences. Overall, the idea of an animated film about a man with 5 wives who promotes peace, love, and family history in the context of Oromo culture has the potential to be a groundbreaking and important work. It could not only entertain audiences but also educate them about a fascinating culture and its values. Here are some additional ideas that you might want to consider. The film could be set in a specific historical period, such as the pre-colonial era or the Italian occupation. This would allow you to explore the challenges that the Oromo people have faced throughout their history. The film could be told from the perspective of one of Garba's wives. This would give you a unique insight into the challenges and rewards of polygamous marriage. The film could include scenes of traditional Oromo ceremonies and rituals. This would help to give viewers a sense of the richness and depth of Oromo culture. I hope this gives you some food for thought as you develop your film.